Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm happy to show you around this 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox done under 18,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.